What's up, Royals? I woke up to the most magical surprise. Let me show you. Texas, Zone 8B, and it snowed last night. So right now it's about 9 o'clock, and look, it's just a layer of snow everywhere. This is the first time I've ever seen my garden under snow. So this is so cool. Look, you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like now so that we can do some not before and afters, but so I can show you like what might survive and what is gonna completely die. So let me show you what's going on. OMG, I just want to walk through it. Oh, it's so soft. I know you guys are probably like, that little layer of snow. It was a lot more this morning, but it is starting to melt away as I record this video. So I just wanted to get out here quickly and enjoy it. This is real snow, you guys. The last time it snowed in San Antonio, I think was in 2022. And it was a lot. It shut down the whole city, but I wasn't here at this house at that time. I was at my mom's house, so I didn't get to see the garden under snow, but this is what we've got. It's real snow. How cool is that? I've always wanted to live in a place where we experienced all 4 seasons. And we do experience them here, but not very often. This doesn't happen often. Look at this. Look how cool. OMG. So in this bed, I have Tokyo greens, cabbage, collards, and kale. And it's looking like everything is pretty much going to be dead. We'll see. I got some peas up here. So yeah. In this bed, I have red giant mustards, kale, collards, Swiss chard, and then I have some cabbage here. Let me know if all my plants are going to be dead by the end of today. Here's one thing. Look at Adonis back here. Here's one thing. So I have this Mexican, I think this is a Mexican petunia, and it actually looks pretty good. So I think those might survive. In here I have pretty much the same stuff as in the bigger raised bed. The kale looks pretty good to me. This is kale too, so we'll see. And then we got some greens in there. everything in this bed has died. I had roselle and okra, so I've just been saving seeds. And then over here I had some greens and stuff in there. So in this container I had some onions, which are probably bye-bye now. So we'll see when it warms up. Over here we have our winter jugs that I sowed a couple days ago. They look like they got some snow in there, so they got watered. And then over here we have gomphrena, which I absolutely love the purple gomphrena. So pretty. I sowed that in the fall. I think it should reseed itself in the spring, almost like the winter jugs, but just, naturally. Ooh, so that is San Antonio under a small blanket of snow. What do you guys think? We are in San Antonio, zone 8B, and the weather is just absolutely changing before my eyes. It's getting hotter. It's snowing more often. It never snowed when I was a child, but since I've been an adult, since about, I would say 25, maybe 24, it snowed like 3 times. So weather is definitely changing. Let me know if you live in Texas or in a southern area that doesn't get snow and y'all got snow. Let me know in the comments below. Oh my gosh. We can't see any breath. No breath, but it is cold. My fingers are cold. I can't believe I have like a winter jacket and gloves and a hat. I was like, wow, I'm actually kind of prepared. So yeah, I just wanted to come out here and enjoy this with you guys for a second, let you see what it looks like, because you probably won't see this again for a couple of years. Thank you so much for coming out and seeing the snow with me. You know, San Antonio is going to be shut down. The kids didn't have school today because we don't know how to drive in this type of weather. Hold on, I think I saw the snowflake fall. So yeah. All right, you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.